Chef Willie Kitchen. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe. Chef Willie have something brand new for you. Chef Willie no bubble up this stew for you. Chef Willie Kitchen. Bubble up, pot of your bubble. You hear that? Chef Willie, you know? Like, share, subscribe. Something brand new for you today. Some steak from scratch, you see me? I'm showing you how Chef Willie do it. It's never the same. Chef Willie, don't forget, my style different from everybody else. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my thing in the kitchen. Some steak from scratch. You know, we got a lot of different videos coming, all type of videos, but for real, I gotta work, people be busy, and you know, I gotta buy stuff to cook stuff. So, you know, the expenses and all of that, you know, it's a little costly. But as soon as my media and everything advances and I get more subscribers and I get a little more global, then I think I'll get elevated, as I always say, and advance. But we're making progress, as you can see, and as you could tell. Videos going up, subscribers going up. On my way to 700 subscribers, and it's a beautiful day outside, and kitchen clean and all of that. I'm gonna show you. I got the steak right here. Yeah, I got a big piece of steak. I'll show you how you guys Chef Willie make his steak from scratch. I got a good amount of steak right here. I got like 4 pieces. I'm gonna start. I got my meat seasoning. I'm gonna use a little bit of that. Got all purpose. Whatever you got, a little bit of seasoning. You just gotta know how to use it and put the amount of quantity you use. I got a little oxtail seasoning. Don't tell nobody. Throw a little oxtail seasoning, guys. It's gonna make food marvelous. Cause oxtail is like the beef and all them type of meat. So I mix that with it. It's gonna be crazy too. I got me some meat tenderizing. I'm gonna tenderize the meat too a little bit. And some garlic powder. I normally use garlic from scratch, but I still season my meat a little bit with a little powder, even though I use the organic, real garlic. So I'm gonna get prepared, put on my suit, a little Batman suit, and put on my cape in the kitchen and get ready to go do some other business. Yeah, in the kitchen. Drop 2 Bob Marley tune today, now. I'm just chilling, this a little Bob Marley and a little different reggae vibes. In a chill mood. Some easy skanking, you know. Every day you want to listen to that boogie yaga thing. That's what they say in Jamaica, all that loud, up-tempo beat music. Just want to lay back and chill. So yes, this is it. I'm in my cape. Set it up right. Oh yeah, for guys who are admiring my hairstyle. Shot. If you want to get to know, click link in the bio if you like it, and tell me if you want to get to know my hairstylist. She highly known about the place, so ask me for everything, I'll let you know. But I call it my new version of Pop Smoke, you know. She made it, she gave me something random, but I went and tweak it and give it my own use. So I sleep with it, I don't put my wrap my head, so it be looking crazy. And then I always, guys, I forgot to tell you, I don't know why, this is a special tool to my steak. I always marinate it in butter. I take my steak, put butter all over it. Marinate my steak with butter. See that? That's soak everything now together. I think it's help keeps the seasoning onto it, because it give it that soft feeling, and it make it taste buttery too. Buttery good. Buttery good. I'm gonna put a little salt on it from now, because I want that flavor to all be in it. Flip it, do the same on the other side. Maybe if it's have a little too salt, just a little salt. When I start cooking it down, it's gonna have a different. Okay, so when the fire is hot and the oil is hot, you could go ahead and lower your oil a little bit. You don't want it to be too high. Burn the steak or overcook the steak, or let the steak get brown or colored before time. So I'll go ahead and marinate with my seasoning. If I just let this set from overnight, guys, it would have been better, because you know, you set this overnight, it's gonna get all that seasoning. Everything is gonna start like marinate in it. So as my oil hot, guys, and my steak is ready. This is how a steak should look, seasoned after you're ready to cook. Seasoning ready to cook. Chef Willie, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Watch this. Blend down real good and set it right. Don't use your finger, guys. You crazy? Grab a fork. That's too loud, but that's better. Grab a fork. You can smell it already with the butter and everything. I like chicken on it. And basically, you don't let steak fry one side all the time. You fry it a little on one side, and then you flip it, and so it could cook equally, you know. Get equal cook. As soon as some of the blood start running out to the next side and cooking, you flip it and cook the other side. I'm gonna show you that in a second. You can see already, guys. Look, you see the blood. Look carefully, you see blood start popping out. How you see? Yeah, you let it go fry on one side, then hopefully get all the blood out. You can give it roughly 5 minutes on each side, 3 times. So 3 5s is 15. You know, nah, actually, that's gonna be 30 minutes on one steak. So you could roughly like 2 minutes on one side, 2.5 minutes on the other. You know, and you do that like 3 times, 15 minutes. Boop, steak ready, and then you just make your little sauce and put it down with it. Sploosh, you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't really have no sploosh today, guys. I'm gonna make that in a second, because you know my throat is a little dry. A little sploosh drink. But I know bossa move the man. Bossa move. She toy. She think I'm toy. I'm money. Oh. Alright, look, guys, you see the blood start spring up on the steak. I want to smell it. Honestly, guys, and self recommendation is no recommend. You gotta let somebody tasting your food to tell you if it's right, incorrect, and ready to eat. Watch it. It ain't ready yet, but I'm saying if someone is here, they're gonna tell you about Chef Willie's food. That it not normal. So the blood starts springing. Bam. Flick it. Flick it. Other side get a touch too. You get this color. And pork in that machine, you need tenderize and soft at the same time. Everywhere. I like that little bone piece too. Chewing, suck on it. You can't chew that bone, but you sucking on that bone. Pause. So yeah, Chef Willie, you know, in the kitchen, steak video. That's how Chef Willie prep his steak and prep the little steak. And you know, Thanksgiving coming up. So all you guys, happy holidays and happy Thanksgiving when it comes. You know, enough love. See my steak on the other side now. In the next 2.5 minutes, I'll flick it again. But for now, I'm gonna put on some water because I'm gonna boil some potatoes. I'll make some corn, some mashed potatoes, and corn on the side. I'll make a little steak video from scratch. Chef Willie in the kitchen. You know, a lot of fun and entertainment. Don't forget to like, share. Hold follow, you see me? The guns them up. Stay fit, eat healthy, stay strong, guys, and be safe out there. Making my steak almost finished, so I got one more pieces left. I'm gonna chop that in. What about the unwanted sounds in the background? I'm gonna drop this piece of steak in. And don't forget to spread the legs. Same procedure, you keep poking it. Okay, everywhere got a soft spot. Good job. Good job. And then you leave that for like 2 minutes. Flip it, flip. These are the ones that are already finished. You see one side a little bit more than it, but it's already tasty, chungy. You can eat it. Now if you want, you grab me a piece. Not a pinch piece of that. Tasting the steak just now. It's perfectly got flavor. Tenderized, you could chew it. It's all good. It is soft and cooked. That's how you should make it, guys. And we're still eating. Clean as we go. You know, we gotta keep the kitchen clean. See the blood starts squirting out. Then procedure by 2 minutes, bam, and then boom, flip it. You get a little color. Put the starches right here a little hard. Tenderize it a little. Everywhere is soft. And just leave it. Pot everything is set. Still on low pressure, not too low, but. And that's how you do it. When that's finished, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put my seasoning right now. Cut these up. Show you in a second. I got my sploosh. Today's sploosh for the day is Magnum Tonic Wine. And get that set and already. Yeah, that's that going. It's time to give it a 2-minute flip. Don't forget 2.5, 2 minutes the most. See the blood sprouting now. Good job. Flip it. Down there and then see this side that was a little hard. Now you can see it a little tenderized. This side is a little hard. Now you soft, man. You can tell. You drop this a little bit, fluff it, stab it up. Stab it like in a stab it. And get it right. Everything is all prepped and set, and that's how I make my steak, guys. All done. I got my finished cutting up my potatoes and tomatoes and stuff. And I'll make my little steak sauce and put that on the side. So stay tuned for Chef Willie with chefing in the kitchen and cooking and chefing related videos. All in one, all your entertainment in this times, in this new day and age in times. Everything and time change as we go along. Different ingredients, different food, different ways of cooking. So stay tuned to my channel and stay tuned. And Chef Willie, watch it, Chef Willie, Chef Willie. And this is chef. Make that go on marinate. Kitchen clean, guys. Clean, as you can see. We cook and clean as we go along. Gotta wash that out a little bit, but we cook and clean as we go along. Make everything clean. I got my little fruits and stuff. Oh look, my potatoes and my corns are boiling up. So that's on deck. So just a little steak and mashed potatoes. Steak from scratch, Chef Willie. Got a lot of videos coming soon. As I say, cooking videos and cooking related, chef related videos. I'm on my way to 700 subscribers, and I'm on my way to 1 million. 700 to 1 million. I could do it. So let's start doing it. And I go add the other one in it now. Just spread the cheeks when you put it in there. Spread the cheeks properly. I love this smell of chicken. It's just first time, man. So I got one more piece left, and I'm gonna make my little sauce and make it cook down a little bit. And then my steak is ready. Put on some water, make some potatoes and stuff. But stay tuned, guys. Seasoning ready, all set, guys. I got every little thing, plus I put a little butter and oil. I don't need too much. Saute my food. All in, guys. A little butter and oil. So we get a good thing. Saute it a little bit. Fry it a little bit. Probably add a little piece of butter in it, and then I'm gonna add my steaks. I want to kind of touch a little bit, but don't worry. When I start cooking it down, all that's gonna marinate on it. Add me a little butter. That's ready, guys. Everything is butter or sauteed with butter. Butter in it. Saute it there. Just lay my steak on top. Put my little steak gravy. Guys, take this little pot right here. I got all these remaining. Add a little water. Mix it all in butter, all that seasoning. By the time I keep sauteing on that side, I'm gonna flip it with this water in it. My seasoning water. Saute it down again. That's gonna make our gravy. Keep it for now with some sauce on it. Some on top. Most of it on top now. Difficult when I'm working at the same time. All that tomato seasoning on top. Yep, so good. So let's put on top. So it's supposed to look. Also the seasoning on top, guys. Just soak in it. Turn the fire down low. And cover it. cook low. Get its own gravy and stuff. The potatoes and corns is almost ready. Just gonna eat a little mashed potatoes with steak. That's all I want, a little piece of corn. LP. Good. And that's it. Makes steak with Chef Willie. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna let that cook down a little bit. But first I'm gonna add a little ketchup and a little salt, a little seasoning to give it a little flavor in my stuff. Watch this. Okay, prepare one of my steak. Mashed potatoes, guys. Potatoes in a plate. Break it up. Very easy and simple. Add my eggs. I'll break it in it too. Boiled eggs. No boiled eggs. I'm gonna put a little black pepper. Cover it. A little salt. Not too much. So a little coated. And a little butter. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Get me a butter. Gotta use 2 hands for this now, guys. Hold on, give me a minute. Prepare this and set the plate, and that's it. Chef Willie always got a new video coming, guys. You guys gotta stay tuned and stay true to my thing, like I say. And tell a friend to subscribe, tell a friend's friend, like, share, comment, tell them what you like in the kitchen, you know.